Hi, my name is Reut and I work at Hip Stitch in Albuquerque, and this is my beloved dog Lily. I have been missing the shop, I've been missing my colleagues and all the customers that I've gotten to know in the last 2 years, so I thought I'll give you a little tour of my studio. My studio is in the basement of the house, so you're going to see clotheslines where some of my quilts are hanging on. These two I made 10 years ago, and something that you don't know about me is that when I like something, I make it 3 times. So the third one is this one that I made in the past week, and I doubled the pattern here. We are going to have this as a kit at Hip Stitch in the coming week, so look for it in the newsletter. I have my prints here, my jelly prints here on the cabinet doors, and I look at them for when I need inspiration. This is my jelly printing station, and right now I am making tags, and I'm gonna put some encouraging phrase on it and then send it to each one of my friends in snail mail, and hopefully they will smile when they get it. Here I'm working on a cactus collage. I finished the background. The background has some of my hand-dyed fabrics and eco-printed leaves from local trees in the East Mountains. When I finish this, we will make this pattern into a kit also at Hip Stitch. I have some more things that I've made, and this is an indigo quilt that we dyed the fabric in one of my classes last summer. And that's it.